All right, how is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo for the Galaxy Buds FE. So today in this video, I'm going to give y'all an overall fitting demonstration, and then I'm going to give y'all two audio sound sample tests. The first is going to be a leakage test, and then the second is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. Alright, so without further ado, let's dive into today's video. So the first thing I want to talk about with everyone is the overall fit and give y'all a good look at how the earbuds fit in my ears. Now, for reference, I'm using these Galaxy Buds FEs with the stock tips that came on them out of the box, all right, and the stock Airwing tips that came on them out of the box. Okay, I believe that was either the mediums or the smalls. I don't think that was the large, but I didn't actually end up sticking with any other size tips or putting on my custom tips, because the included tips and wing tips that came on the Galaxy Buds FE out of the box was the best fit for me. But I always recommend that you guys and gals go through the included wing tips, go through the included ear tips, and find the overall best fit for yourself, because that will directly influence your overall experience in terms of comfort and in terms of overall sound quality. So it's really, really important that you guys and gals take the time to find the best fit for yourselves. Okay? But giving y'all a close-up here, so if I turn to my left, I can give y'all a shot of the right earbud right here. And I gotta say, I really am a big fan of these, because you just put them in and twist them, and then they stay in your ears just like that, and they don't really come out. And I've taken this on multiple workouts and haven't had any issues. All right, so here's the right earbud, because I turned to my left. Okay, and then here's the left earbud as I turn to my right, and again, same thing, you just put it in, you twist, and it's not going anywhere, and I can move around and it will stay. So I really do like the overall fit of these earbuds. They really are my favorite style of earbuds in terms of the fit. It's like these and or the earbuds that hook over your ears here, that hook over the outer part of your ears. Those are the earbuds that give me the best fit in my opinion. Okay? But this is just giving you an overall look at how the earbuds look in my ears and on my head. So if your ears and head is similar to mine, you will get a good overall general idea. All right? So once again, here's the right earbud. Okay? And then once again, here's the left earbud. All right? Good stuff there. Good stuff there indeed. Now what I want to do for everyone is I want to give y'all some sound samples and some leakage testing. We're going to start off with some leakage testing first. Now, I have the earbuds hooked up to my Moto Edge 2020 in the background, which is synced to my watch. And that's how I'm going to control the music here. I do have it set to 100% volume. As always, I'll put up all the relevant B-roll for y'all to check out for yourselves, because I'm all about keeping it straight 100 around here. But let's do the first test. Let's do the leakage test. And then also for reference, I'm using my professional clip-on audio lapel microphone here today, and it's less than a foot away from my mouth, which is less than a foot away from the earbuds. So any leakage coming off of the earbuds should easily be able to get picked up by the microphone. Anyway, let me push play and let's get into the first audio sample test. Let's go. All right. Okay, that should do it. Let me push pause. Okay. Now, real quickly, before we get into the last audio sample test, I want to just give y'all my overall opinions on the overall sound quality, the overall volume, and the overall bass of these earbuds. And I'll be sure to reiterate this in the full review that I'm going to do for the earbuds as well. Keep in mind, this is just my opinions based off of my experience, okay? But that being said, in terms of the sound quality, I would have to say it is really good, okay? Now, I did notice some distortion on the low and the high ends of the volume spectrum, depending on what I was listening to and depending on the volume that I had it at. So it's not quite top notch because, you know, I ran into that distortion. So that's why the overall sound quality is really good. Now, the overall volume of these earbuds, in my opinion, is top notch. Any and everything that I did with these earbuds in terms of the volume didn't have any issues. Whether I was listening to my favorite music on Pandora, Spotify, or YouTube Music, no issues. Or I was binge watching my favorite TV shows across Netflix, Disney Plus, Hulu, you name it, even YouTube. Didn't have any issues streaming anything or drowning out my surroundings so I could fully immerse myself in whatever I was doing with the earbuds. Okay, so the overall volume on these earbuds is top notch in my overall opinion. And y'all already know, in terms of the comfort, these earbuds are extremely comfortable in my opinion for extended listening sessions. Now, time to talk about the all important bass. Now, as I always say, I am not a music professional by any means. I am just a self-proclaimed tech junkie and a lover of bass. You can call me a bass head. I like it when that bass hits. I like it when it's really punchy and gritty. Overall, how do I feel about the bass on these earbuds? I would have to say they're good. Like, depending on what you're listening to, you can hear it and notice it. You can hear it and notice it, but it's definitely lacking that punch. It's lacking that grit. So overall, I would have to say the bass on these is just good. So putting all of these categories into perspective for everyone, that means overall, the sound quality, the volume, and the bass on this is really good. Okay? Okay, so that's how I feel about the Galaxy Buds FE overall. Now let me give y'all one last audio sample test, a audio sample to the best of my ability, and then we'll go ahead and wrap the video up. So let me pull the earbuds out. Okay, boom. And boom. Okay, and now I'm gonna rewind the music on my watch. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to hold it up to the microphone for everyone right now. So holding this up. Yeah, there we go. Going to do this for 30 seconds, starting now. And the problem I'm running into is the ear sensors. I'm gonna give y'all an extra 5. And we're good. So let me put these back in. Okay. And let's pause the music. And that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. Now, y'all saw in the video, I'm not going to edit it out when the music kept pausing. That's because of the in-ear detection ear sensors, right? If I cover them with my hands, it will think that, you know, I took them out, right? Depending on how I hold them, it will think that I took them out and it will pause the music. And that's even after I went into the settings on the Galaxy Buds themselves and disabled the in-ear ear detection. Those sensors still work no matter what. So that's kind of something that I don't like. I understand the convenience of it, but that's something that I don't like because I typically disable that function all the time, no matter what Galaxy Buds I have. That's not something that I use. But if y'all wanted to know why the music kept pausing in the video, it's because of the in-ear detection ear sensors. All right, everyone, that does it for today's video. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Today's video was recorded using a combination of the front and rear facing sensors on the Samsung Galaxy S10e. This video here today was recorded in 1080p, and we are using professional clip-on audio microphones to record the audio for today's video. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Also, please remember that all of my extended coverage and the affiliate links as to where y'all can pick up these earbuds at some really great prices will be available down below in the video description as well. And as the name implies, when you make your purchase using those affiliated buy links, I do get a small percentage of kickback or commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So down below in the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.